All right, baby, you ready?
I am.
Publix. We're back at it. Publix. We miss it.
I know I missed my parfaits. Oh.
Welcome. Should say welcome back. Watch yourself. Oh, okay. I thought you were pointing at the cakes.
No.
Look at this one. Buttered chocolate chip. Buttered chocolate pudding. Please.
No.
Help me. Did you want to get a couple salads or no? That's not bad, $10.
No, not for that. Right there, we got two.
Okay.
Move it up, is that okay?
I'll slide by and look at it.
There's one, 3 for $10.
Yep. Raspberries are 3 for 10. Strawberries, $5.
Is that the apples you get, the pink ladies?
Yeah, those are good.
Okay.
All right, here, take that. I'm gonna get another thing of strawberries too, or just that for now.
You think we eat it and get it? Yeah, I mean, we got the raspberries too, so.
Yeah. Well, that's all we need really is the raspberries, blackberries, and the strawberries. Okay.
Yeah.
Or did you want to get those over at Sam's tomorrow?
If you want to, we can get them at Sam's.
Yeah, let's get them at Sam's.
Okay.
Sorry. No, okay.
We got you. Oh, I don't know if we got that.
Just
John, please.
all right.
Oh yeah, we need
Bacon.
sausage too. You want to get sausage and bacon?
All right.
They got Hatfields for $8.99. And then your sausage links.
I'm gonna. I got that one right there. It's $4.69.
Do you want to get two of those or?
What? 2 of the sausage and bacons?
Yeah.
There you go.
Now, the yogurt. Oh, those are the same cookies they had in Jersey.
Yeah. But these are raspberry sandwiched.
They don't care. They're
That's
still
chocolate.
the same.
Yeah, rainbow sprinkles. That's the ones you were eating.
Doesn't matter. They're still the same.
How many of these do you want?
What do you think? That 3?
Okay, another one. Yeah.
Because I don't know if the one in the house is still good.
All right.
We'll find out.
All right. Okay. That's it. All right.
You think that's it or?
Do you want milk?
No, no milk.
No milk. Okay.
Other than that, do you think that's it?
I think so.
Did you want to grab some eggs or no?
That's up to you. But we can grab some. Just get a dozen.
Okay.
That's okay.
And then we'll go by the frozen section just to see if they have any vegetables on sale.
Oh, okay. You want large eggs?
Yeah,
Extra large.
just whatever. Whatever's not broken.
Okay. That's good. All right.
I go by the freezer section and then
That's this over here.
we can see. You're good on salad dressing, right?
I know I got plenty of blue cheese.
No, that expired.
You just bought that.
Oh, okay. I'm just asking.
Don't think I don't have some raspberry vinaigrette. And I got blue cheese somewhere.
Did we ever find that Goya? Yeah, we found the Goya thing.
Yeah.
Publix frozen vegetables, $3 off.
Yeah, buy 5, get $3 off.
Oh no, okay.
That's basically all of them. Buy 5.
Well, you got the Italian somebody down here. Oh, that's rice. Okay. Alrighty. Remember the drumsticks?
Oh yeah.
We seen on the thing.
Yeah.
Did you want to get it or not? Or is that too much? Drumsticks.
No, these are little. These are the little ones.
Mini?
There's minis.
Alright, because the one next to it is Blue Bunny Mini Swirl drumsticks for $5.89 that are cheaper.
Okay.
They got vanilla fudge and vanilla. Right next to the right.
Where?
Oh, or above you.
Okay. Mini swirls. It's got caramel or cookies and cream. Which
And then you
one?
got one here to the right of you that has fudge, caramel, and vanilla.
Oh.
And it's a lot cheaper.
All right.
8 for each.
Yep. There we go.
Alright,
Let's go.
let's do it. Oh wow, they got the White Castles up here now.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Huh?
That's what you
Yeah.
Ice cream sandwich.
Buy one, get one free on the White Castles. Alright.
Where are you going?
Okay. Go right there,
Oh,
babe.
right there.
Yep.
Over here.
Look, Taylor Swift, Magical Era. And that girl, she lost weight. Valerie Bertinelli. 98.27.
Would you like a donut for $2?
Thank you. Alrighty. Alright, BB 98.27. Till the next one. See ya.